Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I hope the information you find on my channel is going to be instrumental in helping you to achieve your life's purpose. And to all those that have been relating with my videos, I say big thank you. Today I bring to us another wonderful opportunity of a very decent scholarship which entails either a complete tuition waiver or a tuition waiver with living expenses in Netherlands. So you may want to check this out to see if it's something you qualify to apply to. Then, without wasting much of our time, we go to Google and you want to type Utrecht Excellence Scholarships. Then I want to right click on the first link by Google, open in a new tab, and it brings me to the home page of this particular scholarship. So the first thing we want to know is to know about the scholarship, what it entails, before I take us through the required documents and possibly how to submit an application to this particular university. So quickly, we'll just look at the eligibility criteria. To be eligible for this particular scholarship, you must belong to the top percent of your graduating class. So if you belong to your 10% of your graduating class, you can check that. You must also hold you must also not hold an EU/EA passport and not be eligible for support under the Dutch study grant and loan system. You must have completed your secondary school and or bachelor degrees outside of the Netherlands. You must have applied for an international master's program with a start date of 1st September 2024. Not all programs participate. Please check master's program. So I will just click this and open in another tab for now. Tuition fees and financial support to see if the Utrecht, okay, let's just go down to see what the scholarship amount. So this scholarship is either the tuition fee or tuition fee plus income required for a period of 1 year linked to a residence permit for students as determined by the Immigration and Neutralization Services. So what this means is, you need to show a proof of fund that you can cater for yourself for at least 12 months in most of these countries abroad. So what this is saying is the scholarship can also consist of your tuition fee and this proof of fund for 1 year to take care of your living expenses. So the scholarship will be renewed for the second year of 2 years master's program. So if the master's programs you're applying for is 2 years, the scholarship can be renewed. The deadline for the scholarship is 1st of February, so you have few more days to go. So you can look at the selection criteria. I won't be wasting too much time on this, so we can talk on other things. So for your academic quality, your academic excellence, the quality and relevance of your motivation letter for the master's program, the quality of the application for the master's program itself, completeness, accuracy, and consistency. So how to apply? After submitting an application for this, okay, don't worry, we'll look at that so as to avoid us reading too much, but I want to employ you to please go through these things and read them so you could have a better understanding. So to see the master's programs that are eligible, we opened this in a new tab, and these are the master's program eligible. In order for you to rebrand your search, and you could see almost all the programs are done in English language. So in order for you to refine your search, let's assume I want to do a program in mathematics and information. I'll just click mathematics and information, and I want the program to be in English. I just click on English. Then you see you could apply for applied data science, artificial intelligence, business information, and so on and so forth. So let's assume I want to applied for applied data science. I click this, and the first thing I want to check there are the requirements. This is very essential. So you want to scroll down to see if we can see the okay. They said applied. They said check the entry requirement. So you really want to check the entry requirement for the particular program you are applying to as well. So The application process is different based on where you obtain your degree. So we obtain, for those of us that are applying from outside, international students, so you want to click non-Dutch university. So for non-Dutch university, these are the things, read the requirement. So one, a sufficient bachelor's degree from a research university or University of Applied Science, solid background and skills of statistics, including all these. So solid knowledge and skills of programming, including all these. So a strong motivation plus knowledge, skills, and competence as shown through your CV. So you'll be submitting your CV, your course grades, that is your transcript, motivation letter. Additionally, a high level of English proficiency is expected. So what is this high level of proficiency? For IELTS, you should have an overall score band of 6.5. So for TOEFL, these are the scores, and for other English language uh, uh, test. So, but there are certain exemptions if you obtain your previous degree from a Dutch university, if you obtain your secondary school diploma from one of these countries, you obtain an English taught international this. Uh, IB diploma, or I really don't know what that is. So please, you want to Google that and check it out yourself. So, but the bottom line is English test for English language is required. So, find your application deadline. We've already seen the application deadline to be 1st of February. Application opens is 1st of October. Then application deadline for non-EU passport holders is this. So these are just the application deadline. So what documents you'll be needing? You'll be needing a scanned copy of your diploma, your official transcript, a scanned copy of your of your uh, transcript. This first one, a scanned copy of your diploma, if necessary, with official translation. Okay, your degree, your certificate. Then, if it's not in English, you may want to give the official translation. Then, a scan of your transcript. You need your transcript, motivation letter, curriculum vitae, and course description. Yes, you need a course description. If you don't know what that is, please just drop a comment in the comment box and I'll explain to us. You need to submit your application to student link. So I'm going to open this student link in a new tab so we could see how to submit our application. Now, for most universities in Netherlands, you submit your application through the study link. So that's it. Then they said take the last step after your admission. Uh, so you take the last step after your admission. But let's see if there's an application fee, because this is something that is very important. So this is the study link. You come to study link. All you need to do, if you don't have an account, you come to this place where it says international students. So you want to create an account. It's quite easy to create an account. Just follow the steps, your personal data, your address, your contact, your summary, and that'll be all. So once you create an account, you can log in and you see almost all the universities in New Zealand. You navigate. Don't forget the one you are applying to is Utrecht. So you want to navigate to Utrecht. For instance, if you have selected to study applied data science, you want to scroll to where it says applied data science. It's quite easy, it's very easy. So, but in the study link, it contains almost all the universities. So you want to search by the particular university you're applying to and the particular program that you've seen, that you've chosen to apply to, that is included in the scholarships. So I understand most schools in Netherlands charge application fee, so let's try to check that out. I usually get informations like that in frequently asked question. So that's where I go before I start most application. So does my bachelor degree grant admission for program? Do I need a particular GPA? So you see all these things are very essential. So what does a conditional offer means? You can see that. Let me look for application fee. How can I start my application? Okay, do I have to pay an application fee? So you click here. They said all students who complete their previous study outside Netherlands have to pay an application fee. So yes, there's an application fee attached to this particular and the application fee is €100. So if you are considering submitting your application here, you need to submit an application fee. I hope this information was helpful to you. I wish you best of luck. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so and support my channel. And God bless you. I wish you best of luck in your academic pursuit.